This is day 2 of my all fruit and vegetable diet. I'm packing my blender with lots of kale, lots of spinach. I'm adding frozen pineapple, chia seeds, a whole bottle of water, frozen bananas. And then I'm mixing it or blending it for about 2 minutes to make sure everything is drinkable, so to speak. I start my day off with either a green smoothie or a green juice, which basically consists of the same type of ingredients. This packs on like a multitude of vitamins and minerals that gives me that boost for the day. I even pack it in a bottle, a take-along bottle, to take from my juicer to my lips. This is so good. It's like 3:33. And besides my green juice today, it's the only other thing I've had. Lots of grapes, and then I made a big salad and just squeezed on a little bit of fresh lemon. And there you have it.